Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to download Threads. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. Threads application is available for both iOS and Android devices. Now what you want to do is to open your App Store if you are using an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you are an Android user. Now you want to type Threads, and when you type that, you want to find the app with the specific icon, and this name the app has this black icon with the letter A in it. So click on the install button and then wait a couple of minutes until the app downloads and installs on your device. Threads is a new application created by Meta, which is the same company that makes Instagram and Facebook. This app is the new Twitter competitor, and it is really popular right now. The cool thing with this is it says that you can keep your Instagram username, so you can have the same username on both Threads and Instagram, which is great. When your app installs, then you can open it and start using it. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.